Hi, good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel Forward Zone. Today I'm going to teach you how to use conditional formatting to highlight dates. So without further ado, let's go to our example here. We have an order date here. In order for you to highlight dates that is fall within certain range or certain day, like for example today, tomorrow, next week, next month, and so on. So let's highlight column F and go to Home tab. Go to Style, select Conditional Formatting, and from the drop-down, select Highlight Sales Rules, and we click on the date occurring. So from here, you can select date either yesterday, today, tomorrow, in the past 7 days, last week, this week, next week, this month, and many more. In this case, I'm going to select this week. So it highlight from 12 June to 17 June. So same things apply. You can select any color that you like. In this case, I'm going to select the green field. So it highlighted in green. Once you have done, you just click on OK. That's all from me. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.